spookiest, most violent, and the most terrifying storm moments that have ever been captured on camera. Whoa! This guy is incredibly lucky. Why? Well, you'll understand soon. A tornado ripped through a busy Vietnam street, and this is how it turned a usual business day into a scary chaos of debris and plastic. This hailstorm was unique on its own. I mean, it literally started a fire. The reason was the electricity junctions malfunctioned. Fortunately, no one was injured, and the fire department cooled the fire down. Alright, now this one's fun, but only across the screen, as hurricane winds battered and left a trail of destruction while heading to the mainlands of Belgium and Netherlands. The strong winds forced people to move in its direction. The intensive hailstorm smacked out the windshield of a car. Everything was merry until a lightning strike at a house rocked the whole neighborhood.